Hello judges, my name is Chirayu Jaipuria and I'm submitting Decision Flow AI for the code track. The biggest problem with AI in meetings today is that we don't need more generic summaries. When an engineering team misses a timeline change because it was buried inside a paragraph of generated text, it costs the company real money. I built Decision Flow AI to solve this. It acts as a strict, automated project manager that extracts a clean, structured chain log from messy human conversations. To ensure absolute reliability, I built this using CodeTrack. The backend is a Python and fast API server tunneled to the public web. Instead of standard prompting, I integrated directly with the Open Router API using Llama 3.1 8B model. I heavily engineered the system prompt to force the LLM to output pure strict JSON. It is trained to completely ignore conversational fluff and only extract five parameters that are decisions, scope changes, pending items, risks, and timeline. Because live bot integrations can sometimes time out during hackathons, I'm going to prove the backend architecture works perfectly by simulating the exact JSON payload the sitrep platform sends to my webhook. I'm feeding it a realistic, messy transcript where the team talks about a weekend sports game, but also discusses switching to odds zero, budget risk, and delayed launch. This is the messy transcript, and I've highlighted the important text. So you can see now I'll pass it to my ongoing running server. Mm, This is the message script I'm passing. Let's see. It returned the JSON, as you can see. The API instantly returns a perfectly formatted JSON artifact. I'll paste this on an online JSON viewer. So Decision Flow AI completely ignored the sports talk. Instead, it successfully caught the approved decision to use auth 0. It also gave the reason for the scope changes. It logged the server budget risk and isolated the timeline delay to 10th of September. It dynamically maps this data into Satrep's native Markdown format, complete with emojis and clear sections, so it is instantly readable for the team. This creates an immediate, highly visible source of truth for the entire workspace. The code is fully open sourced on my GitHub, complete with instructions on how to run on a local terminal. In future, I plan to add a database layer to track these decisions across multiple sprints. And lastly, I would say thank you for evaluating Decision AI, Decision Flow AI. Sorry.